you missed us.
We are going on yet another trip, this time somewhat in the country, somewhat out of the country, starting in Vancouver,
Canada.
America's hat. Then we're gonna road trip down to Seattle and Portland. So wish us luck, we're really excited.
We're excited to actually be doing outdoor activities.
We have our priorities here before a flight. We made it to Canada.
One place that was very high on our list to see was Stanley Park, a massive park bordering the downtown area that is almost entirely surrounded by water and offers some of the best views of the city. Though Stanley Park was the biggest at over 1,000 acres, we did actually stumble onto a number of other beautiful parks while exploring Vancouver. Vancouver is a surprisingly walkable city, which is good considering they don't allow Uber, Lyft, and other rideshare services. Another place in Vancouver that we could not miss was Granville Island, a picturesque shopping district that has an amazing food market.
All right, we're going to Lynn Canyon. It's raining. No surprise, we're in Vancouver.
We did use public transportation and we were very successful after we figured out how to get the card reader to accept our credit cards.
Yeah, that part was not so fun.
Took a train and a ferry.
We're on a boat. Yes, and there's also helijets that you could take as well that I'm mad that we did not take.
Yeah, we're gonna have to Google that later.
We decided when we got here that it's just gonna be rainy every single day no matter what we do, so might as well make the most of it and get a little
tolerable.
wet. Yeah.
It's like nice weather, like temperature wise, and then just a little mist.
Yep, so wish us luck. Hopefully we see a cool suspension bridge. prettier. We're on the Lynn Canyon suspension bridge.
Below us is a whole waterfall, and there are two, and it's actually super, super cool.
Yeah.
It's terrifying, but
I
awesome.
almost just slipped. What? That time I almost slipped and fell.
It was great. 10 out of 10.
The trail on the other side of the Lynn Canyon Bridge is beautiful and perfectly encompasses what you imagine when you think of the Pacific Northwest.
Watch my friend die. Yay!
After checking out the suspension bridge, our friend Andres took us to an awesome hidden gem within Vancouver, La Casa Gelato, which has 238 flavors to try out in store. And trust me, we tried as many as we could. In addition to the normal flavors you would expect at a gelato place, they also have a ton of, well, we'll call them unique flavors.
We are on the Capilano suspension bridge.
A lot more crowded than the Lynn Canyon Bridge.
And a lot longer.
Yeah, a lot bigger, but it's pretty cool.
It's beautiful.
So in addition to the bridge, they also have a nature walk and a tree
walk,
walk,
yeah.
which looks really cool. So we're gonna do both of those.
Suspended in the air from tree to tree.
Another attraction at the park is the Cliff Walk, a series of narrow walkways jutting out from the cliff that stretches 700 feet along the Capilano Canyon. Stay tuned for the next episode where we head to Whistler, Canada.